From 0 followers to 10k followers, without posting anything in my account, I was able to increase my Instagram followers, using simple Python bots, that I'm about to show you right now in this video. Even if you are not a programmer, and you have no coding skills, you will be able to run simple Python scripts, that already built for you. Also, you can increase your Instagram likes, so your account looks more professional. And guess what? All these Instagram bots that I'm about to show you, are 100% for free. So it won't cost you anything, except you must give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel if you're a new member here. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, cause I may start posting cool stuff and scripts in my Instagram account. So without further ado, let's get straight to work. Before anything, I want you first to install the latest version of Python. Also make sure to download this text editor, Visual Studio Code, so we can run our Python code. Next step, go to this GitHub repository, which you will find the link in the description below. So this Instagram bot has multiple functionalities, where we can use it in various ways, like getting more followers, more likes. And as you can see, it said, if you run it during 12 hours, you'll get 400 followers. And actually, after I tested it guys, I was able to get 500 followers during 10 hours only. And no worries, this is just one Instagram bot, because there are still 3 Instagram bots you can use at the same time, to get more followers in your account. And for the like bot, if you run it during one day, you will be able to get more than 1,500 likes in your post. And all these things are 100% for free, which is insane. Now in order to use this Instagram bot, click over this green button code, and click again on download zip. Now extract all the files to generate a new folder. Open the folder, and I assume that you've already downloaded the text editor that I've told you, so we want to open this generated folder in Visual Studio Code. And we can do that using this simple step. Just go to the path of this folder, and type cmd. Write code dot, and Visual Studio Code will open containing the files that we need. So first thing, I want you to click on this Python file, init.py. Because we need to know the necessary libraries that must be installed before running our Python scripts. So the first library that we will install is Selenium, and we can do that by typing this following command, pip install selenium. After it completes, we will install WebDriver Manager. It's one of the important modules that must be installed in order to run our scripts. And lastly, we need to install the undetected Chrome driver library, and you are all good now. Now let's start by using this Python file to get free Instagram followers. What's cool about these scripts, they are not complicated at all, and in order to run this script, for example, all we have to do is back to our command prompt and type python get Instagram followers.py. So the script will ask for our Instagram username, so make sure to add yours correctly. And here we go, the bots start working without any issues, and after a couple of minutes we will start getting free followers in our account. Now in the same time, we can run another Python script. Let's take this one as an example. So what this script basically does, is using this awesome website, kingdomlikes.com. So the script try to collect free points for us, using YouTube views. But before running the script, make sure to create an account first. Then add your Instagram page in Kingdom Likes. And set up the default settings as it's shown in my account. Finally click on submit. And now your campaign is active. Time to run our bot. So go back to your script, and all you have to do, is adding your Kingdom Likes email address, and your password as well. Now in order to run our script, type, python, get credit on kingdomlikes.py. And that's it. As you can see, the both Instagram bots are running at the same time without any problems yet. And here we back again guys, so after a couple of minutes, we were able to get 20 followers on this Instagram bot. Also the second Instagram bot got 120 points, which will be converted into followers in our account. For more extra options, you can use the REST services as well, like AdmeFast, ULikeHits, and you can watch my last video, which I shared a simple script to automate like 4-like service to increase your Instagram followers as well. And don't forget to pay attention to this remark, which said, if you get an expiration error in one of these scripts, make sure to change your Instagram username, or try to use a free VPN like Hotspot Shield, and unstart the bot again. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quick and simple tutorial. See you next time.